Okay, so the next new technology I'm going to share with you is called Edpuzzle. It's found at edpuzzle.com. This is another one that my mentor teacher had shared with me many moons ago, and I guess I'm a little hard-headed or just too busy to mess with things sometimes. My life is extremely hectic with this school, with teaching school, with being the advisor to the student newspaper. For example, I just spent 2 hours getting ready for a contest, so I have just a million things going on and haven't had time to delve into some of these things. So I guess in that sense, I'm grateful for this particular course that's forced me to do that because I have found some really cool things. With Edpuzzle, again, the reason I chose it was because of the tip from the teacher. It makes it easy to find content-rich videos, which is something that I haven't always been able to do. Goals and objectives to make lessons more audiovisual, more engaging. I hate being a boring teacher, and I really strive to make my lessons interesting and engaging. I think this will help with that. To find better video content, which I misspelled there, and I will fix. And again, for this one, again, my intended audience is students. Primarily when I'm looking at these things, I'm trying to find ways to better teach them. And excuse me. And so that will be the focus. I'll try to work in a couple of other things, but that's mainly what I'm doing. There's my ISTE standards and my resources. And again, I want to get to the site so I can kind of show you what that's like. And so to get started, just click here, say I'm a teacher, sign in with Google. I'm going to sign in with my teacher account as opposed to my Fort Hays account. And it allows you to import your Google Classroom classes, which I found to be really cool. So they are right over here. I already did that to save time. And what's great is you can find fantastic videos to help with your classes. So I'm just going to search journalism up here. Found some great stuff here. And all you have to do is click on one. And you also can edit the videos, which is really nice. So you do that, and then when you want to assign it to your class, you just click Assign. You pick the class you want to assign it to, and there you go. But again, the videos that I found in there are of extremely good quality, and so this is another one that I can highly recommend. I think it is fantastic. I think that I'll definitely use it a lot, and it's one that I want to recommend to all of you. I think all of you can probably find it useful.